Hello my dear student, welcome you here in this lecture number 72 for that topic alcohols, phenols and ethers that we have started in the last video only. From lecture number 1 to 70 again I will remind you the entire topic haloalkanes and haloarenes have been covered very nicely. So do follow that. Do watch all that lectures there. Okay, each lecture is average 12-13 minutes. Okay. Now in alcohol we have seen they are the aliphatic hydroxy compounds in which the OH, one or more OH get attached to the aliphatic system, open chain system. Okay, that may be alkane, alkene, alkyne. And then we have seen according to number of OH groups there are again monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol, trihydric alcohol and so on. तो मोनोहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल हमको लर्न करना है इस टॉपिक में. So let us go and learn the classification of monohydric alcohol again. So it is same as what you have studied for classification of monohalogen derivatives. Okay, same. Now here classification of monohydric alcohol is given according to the nature of carbon atom to which OH is bonded. Nature of carbon atom means whether it is sp3 hybridized carbon or whether it is sp2 hybridized carbon. Accordingly, whether the OH is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon or sp2, again the classes have been given, two major. Okay. So let us have that first. Alcohols with CsP3-OH bond. Okay. In earlier video also I told you that in the beginning also in haloalkanes sp3 hybridized carbon को कैसे पहचानना है, सिंपल ट्रिक मैंने बताई थी आपको, that whenever all four single bonds are there to the carbon, that is carbon like this, then definitely it is sp3. ये sp3 होता है. Whenever at least one carbon has got double bond, then that is particularly sp2 carbon. Okay. और अगर एक कार्बन को या दो कार्बन को ऐसे ट्रिपल बॉन्ड सी है एंड दूसरा कार्बन भी वहां पे होगा, then that will be no doubt the carbon having triple bond will be sp1. Okay. Where all four bonds are there, single bonds, it is sp3. When at least one double bond is there, sp2. And whenever at least one triple bond is there, sp1 hybridized carbon. Okay. ये हाइब्रिडाइजेशन के बारे में हम लर्न करते हैं नेचर ऑफ केमिकल बॉन्ड टॉपिक में, 11th में आपने लर्न किया होगा. ओके. सो यू आर वेल अवेयर अबाउट दैट हाइब्रिडाइजेशन sp3, sp2, sp1, alkane, alkene, alkyne. Okay. Now first we shall learn again that alcohol in which there is OH attached to CsP3 carbon atom. Three classes can be formed. One is called as alkyl alcohols, other is called as the allelic alcohols, and the other is called as benzylic alcohol. Now I would like to cover first alkyl alcohols. Alkyl alcohols are that which are obtained by removing one hydrogen atom from any alkane by one OH group. बहुत ही सिंपल है. किसी भी अल्केन से अगर एक हाइड्रोजन हम निकाल देते हैं, सपोज we'll take the alkane like methane, one hydrogen atom is removed there and it is replaced by OH, then what you will get? CH3OH. And this is called as alkyl alcohol, methyl alcohol. वैसे आएगा इथाइल अल्कोहल, प्रोपाइल अल्कोहल, ब्यूटाइल अल्कोहल. So one hydrogen atom is replaced by one OH group from the alkene. अब इसमें भी जो OH आने वाला है, because alkane have got all carbon atoms with sp3 hybridized carbon atom, no doubt here OH is bonded with the sp3 hybridized carbon atom only. उसके अलावा दूसरा नहीं. ओके. तो क्या हो जाएगा दोस्तों, यहाँ पे देखो, that particularly I will write alkyl alcohols again of three classes. So here OH is attached to the sp3 carbon atom. Okay, and that's why it is called as what? That alkyl alcohol. अब इसके 3 टाइप हो जाते हैं. One is known as primary alkyl alcohol. Then another is called as secondary alcohol. And the third is known as what? Tertiary alcohol. Can you tell me what are they exactly? Primary alcohol is that in which OH is attached to the primary carbon. Suppose I will take the example like this. CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. Okay. Here OH is attached to this primary carbon. You know, the terminal carbon is always primary because that is attached with only one other carbon atom directly. And that's why OH is attached to the primary carbon atom, and again that carbon is sp3 hybridized carbon. Okay. And that's why this is called as primary alcohol. It is called as the N-propyl alcohol or 1-propanol. Okay. ये प्राइमरी हो गया, प्राइमरी अल्काइल अल्कोहल. What is secondary alcohol? Easily you can say. A secondary alcohol is that in which OH is attached to the secondary carbon. CH3, CH, CH3, OH. This is secondary carbon. Okay. Secondary carbon हम किसको कहते हैं? Obviously, which is bonded with 2 other carbon atoms. They are called as secondary carbon. So this is secondary carbon. And this is called as the secondary alcohol. This is called as isopropyl alcohol or secondary alcohol. And again the carbon type is sp3 hybridized because that carbon has got all single bonds. So it is alkyl alcohol. And tertiary alcohol, I can give the example like this. CH3, 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 OH. So here OH is attached to the tertiary carbon. What do you mean by tertiary carbon? Which is attached with the 3 other carbon atoms. That's why it is called as tertiary carbon. Okay. OH is bonded with tertiary carbon, and that carbon is no doubt sp3 carbon because that is having all 4 single bonds. So it is called as tertiary alcohol, and rightly the name is there. Tert-butyl alcohol. Tert stands for tertiary. So very simple, my friends. Alkyl alcohol is that which is obtained from alkane by replacing one hydrogen atom by one OH group. And that OH is joined with the sp3 hybridized carbon. That's why that is particularly the alkyl alcohol, that is of that first category, alcohol containing C sp3-OH bond. Okay. It is again of 3 kinds depending upon the nature of carbon to which OH is attached. If it is a primary carbon to which OH is attached, it is called as a primary alcohol. If it is secondary carbon to which OH is attached, it is called as secondary alcohol. And if it is tertiary carbon to which OH is attached, it is called as tertiary alcohol. So all that 3 we have to learn very precisely there in this topic, and their methods of preparation and their comparison for reactions, etc. Now the second class of that CsP3 group we shall learn, that is allelic alcohol. Now allele group you know very well. Allele means here double bond is present there. Okay. This is number now B, allelic alcohol. So here in allelic alcohol the condition is that OH is attached or joined to sp3 carbon present next to C double bond C. C double bond C के बाजू में जो फर्स्ट कार्बन आएगा इमीडिएटली उसको अगर अटैच हुआ है, यानी देखो यहाँ पे CH2 डबल बॉन्ड CH CH2OH. Now this is called as the allele alcohol. Allele alcohol, that too this is called as primary. कंडीशन में बैठता है क्या देखो, एक तो दिस कार्बन एटम इज sp3 no doubt. Okay, so OH is attached to the sp3 carbon atom which is directly attached to the CH2 double bond CH. C double bond C के पश्चात जो इमीडिएट कार्बन है वो अगर sp3 है और उसके ऊपर अगर OH है, that is called as the allyl alcohol primary. Secondary कैसा होगा? Obvious CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH, OH एक यहां आएगा, ओके, और एक यहां आएगा. 2 OH are there, no doubt, okay. To the carbon atom, what kind of carbon atom it is? It is again sp3. So, I'm sorry. H will be, that is not dihydric alcohol, that is only a monohydric alcohol. Okay. So CH3CH, OH, and here H2, HH. So this carbon is sp3 carbon to which OH is attached, present next to double bond. So this is known as secondary allyl alcohol. Secondary allyl alcohol. Very clear. क्योंकि ये थोड़ा गलत. After primary, the secondary alcohol is that in which OH is attached to the secondary carbon, which is no doubt CH2 double bond CH. Then C, यहाँ पे एक समझो मैंने CH3 ले लिया. Here is suppose OH and here is suppose H. Now what is the nature of this carbon? Secondary carbon. Why? Because that is attached with 2 other carbon atoms. And what is the nature of this carbon? No doubt sp3. It is sp3 carbon. So OH is attached to the secondary sp3 carbon present next to double bond. Okay, and that's why it is called as secondary allylic alcohol. Okay, very simple. और टर्शरी के बारे में कैसा कहेंगे आप? सेम है, CH2 डबल बॉन्ड CH, सिंगल बॉन्ड C, सिंगल बॉन्ड CH3, एक मैं यहां पे लिखूंगा, एक यहां पे लिखूंगा, and then this is OH. So while learning the nomenclature system, we shall definitely learn IPC names of these examples. Okay, now this is tertiary carbon. Can you identify tertiary carbon? Because that is only 1, 2, 3 carbon. Tertiary carbon को OH है, so that is no doubt tertiary. And this carbon is sp3 hybridized. चारों भी single bond है. Present next to carbon-carbon double bond. Therefore, it is called as tertiary allylic alcohol. So do learn all that types very properly. थोड़ा confusion था, वो writing में हुआ था, तो वो एक बार cover कर लो अच्छी तरह से. Definitely you will be able to understand the part very clearly. इसके नाम कैसे दिया IPC, that we shall learn, no doubt. But here you have to learn only classification. So I am sure that you understood this, all that concept very properly. The remaining part we shall continue in our next lecture. Thanks a lot.